Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, one of the UK's leading installers of Starline systems, and in this case we've installed the Starline Stealth S5 Plus system, which is a dual immobilisation tracking system with push sequence, Bluetooth authorization and a tag. This Starline Stealth, whether it be the Starline Stealth Standard, S5, S5 Plus or S7, are only available through select dealers. So if you were to use the PIN code on this vehicle, what you do, start the vehicle up. It will start up and go to ready, as this is a hybrid. Then we put our disarm code in of 1, 2, 3. And at this point we can select a gear. As you can see, we can now drive the vehicle away. For instances where this vehicle's attacked, obviously someone's either done a relay attack or got in, started the vehicle up through one of the plug-in devices. What will happen is they'll start the vehicle up, start up as normal, whether it's in electric mode or petrol. As soon as they select a gear, vehicle cuts off. Okay. This can also be paired with a phone, which we'll show you at the end of the video, but for now, as we're doing the buttons, we'll show you how they work. So obviously if someone wanted to change the code, sound a little bit more sophisticated than just the paddle as we've shown, what they'll first have to do is ignition on without their foot on the brake, put their disarm code in. Now press any button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we'll cycle the ignition off and on. We'll get 5 bleeps. Now it's ready to learn a code, so what we'll do, we'll just change it to 1, 2, 3, 4, wait for a confirmation and repeat that code again. Once again, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. We should get the same confirmation if them two codes are the same. There we go, so now that's the code changed. That can obviously be between 3 and 21 presses of any supported button, so it's totally up to the customer what they choose. So now, what you'll have to do to start this vehicle, foot on the brake, it will start up. Before you select a gear, you put your code in of 1, 2, 3, 4, as we've just set. Get our disarm tone, we can select our gear. Also, if the customer obviously wants to take this back to Range Rover and wants to get it serviced, and they won't want to use the push sequence at Range Rover, they'll just want it to act and behave like a normal car. How it's done is start the vehicle, well, get the ignition on without your foot on the brake, disarm the system. Now press any button 11 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Cycle the ignition off, back on. 2 bleeps, and this is now a normal vehicle, so when Range Rover get it and they need to hop in and drive it around their workshop, they can do, start it up, select their gear, and it will drive as normal. Obviously when you get it back from them, you're going to want it protected again, and the way you do that is just ignition on as you normally do and pop your disarm code in. You'll get 2 bleeps instead of the normal disarm tone. There we go, and this vehicle is now protected again. So after 10 seconds, this will automatically arm. As soon as a thief tries to select a gear, the vehicle will turn off. If you're looking to protect your Range Rover with either a Starline Stealth S7, S5 or S5 Plus, please give us a call. Alternatively, there's also one other Starline Platinum installer which is capable of fitting this product. Give either of us a call and we'll be able to help you out in protecting your vehicle. Once again, we're Immobiliser Fit. Our number is 0208 212 7393, and in this case we fitted the Starline Stealth S5, which has dual immobilisation, firstly through the Starline and secondly through the Scorpion full-fledged tracking system with Bluetooth tag immobilisation. And as I said, this is a 2021 Range Rover Vogue Autobiography. Thanks for watching our video, and give us a call if you want to protect your vehicle. Once again, our number is 0208 212 7393.